everybody, Tina here from Tina's Coupon Swap and Reviews. Today I am bringing you a review from Birdious, and this is their window bird feeder. So it comes packaged in this box and it comes apart, so you have to put it together, and it really is not hard at all. You just have to turn this around because it'll come like this. You just have to turn it around and stick the little things through, and then it hooks to the window through here. So I mean, or you just stick the little, here, I'm going to take this. Oh, you just stick the little suction cups through the holes and the notches, slide them up, drop that one. What the heck? Okay, well, it's a little harder than it looks. Seriously. Do they not fit? Okay, yes, they do. You just have to make sure that you get them. There's like notches. I didn't notice that at first. There's notches that you have to make sure that they slide onto. So, I mean, like, once you get them on, don't take them off. So, I mean, then I would lick them a little and then stick them on the outside of your window. And then you could get the birdies to come, and you could put a different seed in each notch, and it has drainage holes already in it, so perfect. Okay, so I looked further into it. That is actually a water tray and 2 seed trays. So you could put 2 different, so if you want to do attract hummingbirds, you could put hummingbird seed in there, regular bird seed in there. I mean, both hummingbird seeds, water, so cool. Then right outside your window, you could just be looking at that. All right, well, you can get this on Amazon, and it is $23.95. I will put the link and the price in the description box below, but if you type in window bird feeder, you might not find it. You might have to type it actually in Birdious, but I will put the link and the price in the description box below. All right, you guys have a wonderful night, and I will see you on my next review. Bye!